everybody, it's me Jill and I'm here at the American Craft Studio, here to show you how to finish off your canvas from your color pour. So I've got the talc powder here as well as some varnish. Now the talc powder, it gives it a nice matte feel to your canvas after you've used the Cell Magic, because the Cell Magic, when it dries, the oil settles at the top. So this will get rid of that. Now this varnish, this is a Prism Varnish, and the Prism Varnish makes it a really nice shimmery finish, and it's beautiful. Once you finish scrubbing off all your talc powder, you can go right into the varnish. Now that you've finished varnishing, your canvas is good to go to hang on the wall. Hope you had fun finishing up your canvas. Thanks for joining.